So let's now how to solve this issue on your PC having this blue screen. So whenever you see this blue screen like this, what you have to do is to switch off this button. I'm going to hold this button for so long, then the laptop actually shuts down automatically. So what you have to do is for like 5 seconds, then decide to turn it on after your laptop up. Then you're going to notice your laptop is going to actually have a boot. Then you notice the stuff actually loading. So you wait for this to load. Like and subscribe to my channel, please. So you're going to get this pop-up screen recovery. So the next is to click on start my PC. So depending on the level of this stuff, blue screen of death on your PC, yeah, some will actually take longer. So just wait for the PC to load and then start back to your normal PC. So this is how to solve BSOD blue screen of death on your PC. Thank you and subscribe. As you can see, it's working. Bye.